Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your lady Mommy Juliet TV, one of Paris. How you people doing? Please, my people, thank you for watching my video. As may God Almighty bless you all. Please, if you are following me on YouTube, please follow me on Facebook, J&B on Facebook. If you are following me on Facebook, please follow me on my YouTube channel, Mommy Juliet TV. So as you do that, God Almighty will bless you all. If you are watching my video, you are not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Do your girl a favor, your sister a favor, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and my page. Today topic is about marriage people, young girl and young boy, and I will put two topics in this video. So how to manage your marriage, how to take care of your children without abandoning anyone. So thank you for watching. So if you are a woman, you are already married, you are living with your husband, there is no need for you to be monitoring your husband. They monitor your husband because they cheat on you, or maybe if you go outside not quick on, they monitor your phone. If you press a caller, he will call you this, you do that. Sometimes all this may not even get that kind of time to do all this nonsense, because as a woman, you dey monitor around, you dey wetin you know dey in mind, they put up for your body. You get where you go reach, the man will decide, okay, my eat wetin person they accuse me for. No, I not say I dey eat am. So by then you don't drive and enter outside. And if you be woman, say you even see your husband with a girl, there's no need to fight the lady or to quarrel with the lady. You all later tell your man, I agree to you. I bet if they come buy this one for me, oh, you yourself you waka leave and you go house. When you go reach house, give her food, me eat. You understand? If you don't even want son, if you want to say who be that? And I said, okay, no problem. I just say my ass. If you don't even decide to answer, keep quiet. You understand? He might go to the judge and say, this one not even ask me so. It's just that they safe so. You try me talk to you, me know what's in your mind. Not even answer her. You see that kind of man will be saying they talk to you, might go to the judge and say, this one will be saying to me so. One day if he poison me, one day if he kill me, I don't even know what he did in mind. You see all this nonsense way they do because of his stopper. But if you be woman, we they monitor your husband. If you see a cigarette, you only shout, now one today, you kill me, I kill you, do this one, you know, they let her get peace for us. The next thing where you go do, let your people go settle down with that one they make and they happy for outside. You see? And if you be woman, not the same person, go monitor my husband, go do what my husband they do, because sometimes you go say your friend, and that your friend that you like your husband, and that your friend say you don't like your husband, you don't want me that happy marriage. You go talk with him, you know, see, you go say you see your husband for one hotel, in and woman, in and this, in and that. If you even set your husband up by himself just to scatter your home, if you even not even say that, even go give to that person, say me do one for you, and you go later tell that your friend, say see what you want to do. If you for your back go meet that person, you go. If you bribe the person finish and you double the money we say you give, and you say that person go do the job we say me do for her, the person will can't do the job where the person got tell us me do for her. You see, now make her for me. You know, good woman they control husband full. You understand? Husband will want love, he go love you for who you are. For who you are. Not be say like if they monitor your husband, they go make her love you. No, you they waste your time. You also want to destroy your marriage. You understand? So now make me come do this little advice. Say there's no need for you to be monitor your husband. All you need to do, if you even see her with anybody, just leave her. Leave her. Me you all do you. If you want even answer with not quarrel. Because if man love you, if you go outside, you go come back. You understand? If you go no matter what that woman go do for her, she go come meet you for house. Because if not monitor her, if you not answer her, if you even see her, you might go judge her. So like you see some women, we say you go see a girl with your husband. He said that your husband side chick, they follow this girl, they quarrel. You look and say the people they do that, they don't get sense and they fool themselves. They fool themselves because I don't see what you go leave your husband, go they fight the girl. If you even fight your husband for his house, he made the case worse, because all you need to do is prayer. May God bring your husband back home. Because if they fight your husband, they drive and they go, they meet the girl. And if they fight the girl go even get power, say, yeah, actually they fight me, I go do anything, I go even do voodoo, go even do everything to collect that your husband. So there's no need. Put everything for God, and because with God all things are possible. Let me for that one, please, my ladies, there's no need for that. Because sometimes some men, they will say he heard not their marriage. He go follow this one will born one for and go live. He go follow the one will born two for and go live. You know, go at the end of the day, not go ever settle with one woman. You know, go settle with one woman. I say you see some women. If you like, do heaven and earth for her. He heard not their marriage. No matter what you go do for a rich, you go see come out. You understand? So sometimes some ladies they jam good men, they will use their hand to push them away. They say see be for men. Some men they jam good ladies, they'll still use their hand to push them come out. I say they be. You understand? And anyone will happen, whether you deal with the man, whether you don't deal with the man, whether you deal with the woman, or not deal with the woman again, always take care of your children. Because your children, they are number one. That is their thing in your life. You need to take care of them no matter what. No matter what. Sometimes they see some women for Europe. You get many children for Nigeria. You all reach Europe, they born. What did they pursue? They go. If you get children for Nigeria, you come Europe. All you need to do is to look for money, how to take care of the one that you live in Nigeria, or how to breed them. Not the one you born for Nigeria full grant. Then you can't reach Europe because they born. At the end of the day, you can't abandon the one within Nigeria. Or at the end of the day, the one we even born for Europe, not gonna take care of them. Where go make a collector. There's no need for you to have dozen without taking care of them. Better you get only one, take care of that one. Because all these children, they be gift for God. Because if you look all this social media today, what they happen? This one they find this one, this one they find this one, this one they find the other one. Eh? Above all what they see, the important thing, take care of your children. You're not gonna use this money where you get. Say you want to deal with person. We never deal with your problem with what you get for his house. You never deal with your children. May you dress them. May you give them good food for this life. Eh? If you marry or even leave that man, leave that woman. If the woman not take care of your children, if you be man, you value children, you value the gift of God. Take care of that children. If you be man and woman abandon children for you, no matter how you suffer rich, no matter how you poor or rich, take care of that children, because at the end of the day, you don't know what that children will come be tomorrow. You don't know the kind blessing where God want bless the tomorrow. You know sometimes you go abandon some children. You say, oh this one not join, this one the Africa, they not join, they not rich. You go abandon them. You come face the one only one we born for Europe. Come face her. You not be God. You don't know tomorrow. God feel bless the one you abandon more than the one we say you give your life for Europe. You understand? God feel bless them because God wanted you say now he give it to you. Sometimes not be the children will be say you value, not be that they value you. They will be say you all put aside, say this one not and they will come help you at the end of the day. And if you be man, you marry one if you get picky before, and he abandon his children, you know if you give a condition, you go take care of your children. That kind of man, you know need to come man. You are a disgrace to men. If you be woman, if you be man, you marry to a man who get children, and you allow that man to abandon his children, to focus on only your own. You not be woman, you be disgrace to women, because why you go abandon some children and they take off some children? Eh? When you know say that woman will get children, and we be say take care of your own, take care of the rest people, so that everywhere. I don't see reason, because if I see people, men, women, when they abandon the children after 9 months, after the labor, after the pay, after the 3 months, that will be say you don't go sleep. You can't get men to abandon your own children for one man or for one woman. That kind of thing, eh? Hey, people say they do. I'm gonna go pray for forgiveness. I'm gonna go take off now children because now why all the evacuate. Now why all the evacuate, because there's no children where God give you that. We know say if you give them food, then you call abandon them because of say you want value son, you want listen. at the end of the day, your old age, you don't know how it will be. Now make, if you get 12 children, use one and take carry them. If you get 20 children, use one and take carry them. If you want born for 30 men, use one and take carry them. If you want marry 30 women, use one and take carry them, because nobody knows tomorrow. So now be waiting. I can't draw for this video, because now woman, now they know who born for. Even if you might even abandon his children, you know, suppose make woman abandon children, because oh God labor room, na the woman who carry the belly for 9 months, na the woman who pass through pain, na the woman. Na woman I suppose make pikin dey touch pass. After this, so I don't feel abandon my pikin for because of one man or one person for this life. Impossible. It's not possible. Because if I see people they abandon their children because of my love, because of man, or because of woman, for what? If any woman also get pikin, say you know want allow you take care of your children, say you want carry a bad head, me they take care of only you. Leave the woman, make the woman they go, because no deserve her. She not deserve her. If you be that man, that woman, when you marry man, and you want me to take care of you want me to abandon the one you felt get before, you know, so that man not worth you. Leave that man, make carry a bad lord they go. You understand? Because that man feel disappoint me tomorrow. You see your pikin, no feel disappoint. And any pikin will say he tray, he can't disappoint you at the end of the day. There's no need for you to call that person, because at the end of the day, you all should, when you see the tray, you go see disappointment at the end of the day. It's very, very important. Very important. So now I say I can't draw this message. I'm here to advise. I'm here to say my opinion. I'm not talking to anybody. I'm not referring to anybody. But if you take it that I'm talking to you, it's your own cup of tea. Because we need to learn for each other, because it's very, very important. So my people, thank you for watching this video. Please drop your comments if you pick sense in this topic. If you have anything to say, please drop your comment, like this video, and share it. As you do that, God Almighty will bless you. Please don't watch the video and you like without commenting. When you like the video, you comment, and when you watch the video, comment. You understand? Because when someone is talking, giving advice without insult, you have to give that person support. Because nowadays, people have to insult people to get view. People have to insult people to get like. People have to insult people to move forward. But when you see somebody that's not insulting, that is your making sense, please, my brother and sister, my mommy and daddy, you people have to support. Because it's good to support one another. Very important in our life. Thank you for watching this video. May God Almighty bless you. That hand that you used to like this video, used to like my video, used to watch my video, used to comment for my video, that hand will carry blessing. Blessing for your children. Blessing for money. Blessing for good health. Blessing for everything that you are ever be looking for. You shall receive blessing. And my next video, I'll be talking about a powerful prayer. If you are looking for a job for a very long time, you are looking for document for a very long time, you are passing a lot and you have been asking God to do that thing for you, I will tell you a prayer that you will do, not out of any, if it's 5-minute prayer, 10 minutes prayer, you'll do it and you see the way God will answer your prayer. Anywhere you drop your CV, anywhere you drop that you are looking for a job, God, He will open that file and they will call you. And it worked for me. I want to share it out for people to do the prayer, because God answer. God answer. When you are doing one prayer, you are saying you are praying one prayer, and it's like God is not hearing your prayer. You need to change your prayer point. So on my next video, I'll be bringing that prayer point. Please, my people, like this page, follow me on YouTube, because I don't know where I will draw the video, so that you can learn for this favor. Thank you everyone, and I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.